Today, I'd like to introduce you to Remington Place in West Hills. Remington Place is a newer subdivision in West Hills, California, built in 2020. The community includes 49 single-family residences. These are two-story homes. Detached means there are no shared walls, and a planned unit development. Homes here range from approximately 1,800 to 2,400 square feet and feature up to 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. There are several different floor plans in this community. The larger floor plans have 4 bedrooms, while the smaller have 3 bedrooms. As these homes are newer, among the features of the original homes are a whole home network of Wi-Fi enabled smart devices that can either be controlled from your smartphone or from the in-home touchscreen panel. The lots in Remington Place are smaller, so for the homeowner who doesn't have time or doesn't want the expense of maintaining a large yard, one of these homes could be an option for you. Although the lots are smaller than most of the homes in West Hills, all of these houses have fences between them for added privacy. A few notable things about this subdivision are: every street within it is a cul-de-sac. The residents of Remington Place have their own community park and a separate dog park. There are also sidewalks with streetlights. Remington Place is located about 15 miles north of the 101 freeway at Sherman Way and Woodlake Avenue. This neighborhood is in an area of West Hills where shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, schools, and entertainment are all nearby. If this is a subdivision that sparks your interest, it may also be important for you to know that this planned unit development is managed by a homeowners association or an HOA. Public utilities are provided through LA DWP and SoCal Gas, and this neighborhood is part of the Los Angeles Unified School District. So there you have it. I hope you've learned a little bit more about Remington Place and West Hills. If you are interested in living in West Hills and like the idea of a newer home on a smaller size lot, then take a look at Remington Place. This neighborhood may have just what you're looking for in your new home. I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker in West Hills, California. I give you the keys to unlock the mysteries of selling, buying, and financing your home so you can make your next move with confidence.